Hello student, welcome to Ardent Tutorials. Today we are going to learn this picture. We will study picture composition, how to observe this picture and how to write or how to frame sentence using this picture that we will study in this video. So before start this video, if you are new to my channel, then please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. And if you are already subscribed my channel, then please share my video. So let's start today's lecture. First of all, you have to observe this, what this picture is talking about. पिक्चर में आपको क्या दिख रहा है ये आपको देखना है. सो सबसे पहले हम टाइटल लिखेंगे. वेरी फर्स्ट वी विल राइट टाइटल. सो title, a rainy day. A rainy day. बच्चों हमेशा याद रखो, जब भी हम टाइटल लिखते हैं तो हमें फर्स्ट लेटर कैपिटल ही लिखना होता है. ठीक है, चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमें पिक्चर की शुरुआत पिक्चर किस बारे में है उसी से करनी होती है. सो हाउ वी विल राइट, वी विल से it is a rainy day. Second, now अब आपको ये पिक्चर में दिख रहा है स्काई, राइट? तो स्काई कैसे है? द क्लाउड्स, वी कैन से क्लाउड्स. सो क्लाउड्स आर वेरी डार्क ड्यू टू रेन, राइट? सो वी हैव टू राइट the sky is full of dark clouds. Full stop. Remember students, whenever you write sentence, always start with capital letter and ends with full stop. Okay? Remember, in picture composition or in descriptive writing, you have to be very alert to give all the punctuation marks properly. Okay? Otherwise, you will lose marking in the exam. So now we go to the third sentence. What do we observe here? So अभी हमें और क्या क्या दिख रहा है? So there are kids, right? The water is going here, right? Water is flowing. There is a car, right? So every small details we have to observe. Whatever we see here in the picture, that we have to write. That is our picture composition. So let's write third sentence. Now third sentence we will write it is raining heavily. Fourth sentence. और क्या दिख रहा है बच्चों आपको यहाँ पे? देखो ये लड़का है. The boy is standing with umbrella, right? With an umbrella. A big tree is there, right? So every small detail you have to observe very keenly, okay? So we will write here some children are walking on the sidewalk. Full stop. Fifth question. They they are they are wearing wearing raincoat raincoats and holding colorful umbrellas. Now, sixth one. Two children are excited as they watch a paper boat float in the water by the roadside. Full stop. Number 7. One boy is holding a big black umbrella and enjoying and enjoying the rainy weather. So this boy with umbrella is enjoying. See, do you see this? How happy he is. He is enjoying the rain. आप सबको भी पसंद होगा ना रेन? बारिश में खेलना, पेपर बोट बनाना, है ना, भीगना. सो सेम हमें पिक्चर को देखना है एंड वन बाय वन हमें उसे एक्सप्रेस करना है राइटिंग में. ओके, चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस. There are puddles. This is called puddles. Puddles मतलब छोटा छोटा जो जगह होती है जिसमें पानी भर जाता है उसे puddles कहते हैं. ठीक है. There are puddles. This is called puddles. Okay. There are puddles on the ground. Full stop. 9. A blue car. See this one, blue car, right? A blue car is parked near the sideway, otherwise sidewalk. Full stop. 10th one. There is a big tree. See, this is the big tree. Okay. Everyone is enjoying the rain and its surrounding. So student, you can observe the picture and you can write more on this picture. But remember, your picture always you have to write in present tense. Okay, and you have to give more detail by describing action and using more adjective. पिक्चर कॉम्पोजिशन लिखते वक्त आप एक बात ज़रूर याद रखें कि आप ज़्यादा एडजेक्टिव यूज़ करें Adjective means describing word for the noun. Okay, जैसे yellow raincoat, colorful umbrella, green tree, right? Blue car, right? Beautiful climate, lovely weather, lovely climate. So lovely climate. So these are the adjective. Okay, understood. And also describe the action, means what people are doing in the picture, where they are walking. And remember, जब भी आप पिक्चर कॉम्पोजिशन लिखे, हमेशा आप क्वेश्चन करें. आस्क क्वेश्चन टू योरसेल्फ, पिक्चर में क्या हो रहा है, कौन है. ऑलवेज यूज WH क्वेश्चन. तो जितना आप क्वेश्चन करोगे, उतने ही आंसर आपको खुद मिल जाएंगे. एंड दैट आंसर इज योर पिक्चर कॉम्पोजिशन. अगर वीडियो इंफॉर्मेटिव लगी हो, अच्छी लगी हो, तो लाइक और शेयर करना ना भूलें. एंड hit the bell icon for more new videos update. Okay, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.